Comment section is one of the section that makes YouTube so unique. That is where you can get returns, and that is where you can get the mind of your audience. That is how you can get what your audience wants and what exactly what they want from you. But don't forget that comments always good or bad. There is a lot of appropriate comment and there is a lot of good comment. So learn how to control yourself and learn how to control your home. Welcome back to today's video. You are seeing Christinam Felix. If you are new here, this is Christinam Felix. Thank you for coming. Welcome to this channel. This channel is all about YouTube education, YouTube growth, YouTube tips for beginners. So if you are new, this is a right home for you to stay. Put on the notification bell, press the red button, the thumbs up. Thanks you for doing that. Thank you so much for doing that. Put on your notification bell. If I put something there, you'll be the first person to grab it away. Let's go straight into our points. So don't forget that comment is the most important function, is the most important feature inside YouTube today. It also helps YouTube to grow more by comments, because that is where you can interact with your audience. That is how you can see how you are doing, how your channel is doing, and how your audience is doing. So that is how you can get right into it. First point that we are going to talk about: encouraging positive comments. How can we encourage positive comment? Firstly, if you want to reply on others' comments that comment under your video, you can use the heart button to appreciate them, that you really appreciate the comments and you really appreciate the fact that they've watched your video. Because if they didn't watch, at least they can't comment. Even if they don't watch, at least they view. Because it's not, you can comment without clicking on that video. So you can also pin a nice and a good comment of your good audience, of your good niche that do come into your home every time. Each time you put a video there, you can also promote him or her by pin his or her comment. Please, can you follow him or can you subscribe for her? So that is just how you can promote, by using the pin comment. The response to comment, you can also reply in your home. You can reply to the comments, but the most easiest and fastest way, this 2020 YouTube has really helped us, and they've make it so easy for us. Most of us in this 2020, we are lucky, so they've really make it so easy for us by using our studio. Inside your studio, under the latest video that you've made, you will see it right there, more comments. As you can see now, more, view more. So you click on that view more, you can see my cursor. So you click on the view more, it's out all the comments you've already got from all your videos, from all your previous videos. So you can see down here, you can see the first comment. This what this person wrote: nice tips, my friend, very informative, safety, stay safe and stay connected, please. Okay, YouTube generated some for me and they said thank you, I will, thanks, sure, and stay connected. So I can use any one of my choice, the one that I want out of all. So these ones I've already answered them. Also see this one too. He said thanks for sharing my player, they generate my player, no worry, glad you enjoy it. Also this one,
Thanks you so much for sharing the educative tips. Much love for you there. You are so welcome, always welcome, and thanks for watching. So I guess this one is very easier for us to use. Within 5 minutes you can actually answer 20 comments. So I guess this one is more or less faster and easier for us through our studio, so you can answer from your studio.
Use comment filter. How can we use comment filter? Just go right here. Using of your comment filter, you will use it also inside your studio.
So how to use our filter also? This is our filter. This is the cursor here. Where my cursor is, this is the symbol of the filter inside your studio. After your dashboard, after you might have clicked them all, so you just see it here. This is how it is. So let's click on it and see how it works, and let me just quickly show it to us. So we've got, this is it. Once you click on it, it comes out like this. This search you search, these are the contents, these are something that you want to search on, so you can search on the one that contain questions. So you click on it, it will brings it out here, right here, public subscribers. So you click on it. How many subscribers do you get for that actual video? How many subscribers do you get on all your comments, like on all the videos you've already made, the actual video, the particular video, or the video? Channel membership, member status. So how many of your members that watch, maybe they've subscribed for you, or that watch the video, that drop the comments, and the subscriber count. How many subscribers do you get from that video that you dropped and people comment on? So that is just how you can use the filter. So it's very easy for you to get what has happened pertaining to that video.
Noted. Learn how to reply on others' video. We have a lot of appropriate and inappropriate video, and don't forget that we are not all the same. So some people, you don't know their mind. You can write inappropriate video comment in their own studio, in their own home, and they can flag it. So just learn how you can reply to comment, and don't forget how you can comment to others. But don't forget that you have to do it. You really need it. If you off it, if you don't do it, it will limit your views. It will limit your channel. People won't come back again. The next thing, they will just be telling you that nowhere to comment on your channel. There is no space to comment on your video. So let's go into another step. We have video level comment moderating function. Remove comments. How you can remove comments? If you have inappropriate comments in your home, you can easily remove it, or you can easily delete it. It will hold for review here inside your studio. That is how you will see it here. And even there is inappropriate comments, you will see it hold for review here, or you will see it likely spamming. So easily you can remove it. Just click on the 3 buttons here. This the action menu. Just click on it, you see it. Maybe you can flag it, or you can remove it, or whatever. So remove is there, report is there, hold user from this channel, always approve comment from this user. So you can also use the 3 cursor here, the 3 point moderator. You can use the person as a moderator because he or she knows how to comment. So just try to learn how to comment and learn a lot concerning comments. It has advantages and disadvantages. So just be the advantages part and make use of it very well. Hide user from your channel is also inside right here in your studio. As I've said it earlier on, hold for review. That is that is some of the comments you've already hide inside your upload device here. Down here inside your advanced settings, you've already hide it there, and the person, maybe you've hide subscriber, subscribe, or sub to sub. So if the person writes sub to sub or have subscribed for you, it will hold for review because it's an inappropriate. You yourself, you don't want it in your channel. That is why it's hold for review. So you can easily go there and adjust whatever you want to adjust, or delete it or remove it from there. So that is just the easiest way and the simple way how you can do it. Or you can flag the person, but I didn't advise you to flag, because if you keep on flagging, it's not good for you. Also, if you flag anyone with their comments, you don't know all these things have already been programmed inside a machine. As I do tell us, YouTube is a machine and it all has been programmed there. So if you flag someone, you said this is maybe is an abused word or is an inappropriate or something like that, you just use a word against that comment, and they checked on it and they see that it's not right, maybe it's just mind of hatred that you do that thing, it will also affect your own channel, so it will bounce back on you. So don't flag anyone. The easiest way, the each part of it, just remove it from your channel. So that is just about the flagging comment. And let's go to another level, is that set upload divers. The set upload divers, just go into your home right here, as I've told you all the advanced settings. Click down there, you will see your comments, your community comments. Put it on, let it be on, so you can get a lot of comment from others, you can get a lot of comment from your audience. And also this one, maybe you allow all comments or hold inappropriate or hold for review, so whichever one that you want. And hold, we have set upload divers have already told us, and create inappropriate review. So you click it, maybe inappropriate review, or allow or create a blocked words list. That was the words that you don't want. So I've told us before, that are the words that you don't want. You don't want numbers in your comment, so you put it down there inside your advanced settings. All is inside these advanced settings, so you go right there and set it. So that is just the words that you've hide there. Hide comments as a moderator. So anyone that comments knows better how to comment in your home, so you can use the person as your comment moderator. So he or she will be a moderator for you, how to moderate your comments whenever anyone dropped inappropriate comments there. So the last but not the least is that hold all comments for review or disable comments. So that one, you don't need it as a starter. So how we are just a starter, we don't need it. If you block all comments, you don't want to listen to anyone, you don't want to listen to your audience, how would they relate to you? How would they tell you what they want? How would they tell you what how would they tell you what they want from you? For example, I throw it out there, I pull a question, should we based on tutorial or tips, and the population of tips is more than tutorial. So that is why the tips I'm trying to giving it to my audience. So that is the easiest way. Comment is the easiest way where you can attract, or where you can relate to your audience, where you can get your niche, where you can relate to your people. So please noted, don't flag anyone on comment hustle. So it's very easy for you. How you can also use the studio, the comment suggestion comments through the studio. You can use it also to reply or to comment on others video, and learn how to comment on others video by watching at least 2 or 3 minutes of that video for you to know what to drop out there. And moreover, if you don't really have time to watch that video, you can just say thanks for sharing this. So it's better for you to put inappropriate comment there because they can flag you. And by flagging you, it's not a good thing. So it's not good for your channel. So I guess we have learned one or two things in today. So if you don't really know how to make use of your studio, your settings, see it right below. Click on this video, it will lead you how to use your studio. And have you put brand inside your video? Have you brand your channel? So just click it right here, so it will also helps you, and it will also lead you. I'm all about YouTube tips for beginners. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.